So I just got some purple Play-Doh, and we're about to put it inside and see if it makes the car or the machine. I don't know if I got enough.
Let me see. I think you got over enough.
Yeah.
Watch this. Let's stuff this little piece right in there and cook some up there and,
Oh, yeah.
you know, put some down there, snaggle some over there.
Yep.
And then,
Maybe a bit on the other side, too.
yep,
You know.
that's right.
Yep.
'Cause we gotta do both sides.
Yep. We do. We can't wait to see how it turns out.
Me too.
Yeah. Duh.
'Cause I'm doing this thing too.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Okay, George.
George.
You're ready to rock and roll. Then watch, it won't come out of there.
I know, right? Oh.
Oh boy.
Can I turn?
Oh, it's scary to think
Yeah.
that it might not come out. Oh boy.
Oh, and it's split in half.
Oh,
didn't
it
work
just
for-
stuck together.
Oh no.
Wait a second.
Wait. Oh.
Wait a second, people.
Well, darn it. It did. Wait, let's check the other side.
You know what we should do?
What?
You were thinking the right way to begin with, I guess.
What was I thinking?
You just balled it up,
I know.
and you were gonna put it in there.
I know I was.
You were just gonna put the darn thing in the caboodle batter.
Exactly, and now it won't come out.
Let me help you.
Okay.
I'm good at helping.
Yeah. Oh, and guess what?
Well,
The cool
maybe
thing
not.
about this 3D printed thing, yeah, is that it made its own hinge.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
It made the hinge.
Yep. No
And
metal needed.
It made the egg shape, Dad,
Yeah.
and it put the hinge in there.
Print separate like this.
They printed separately.
I had to put that next, but
Oh,
it's
the little
still
car?
Cool.
Yeah. That is really cool. It would be even cooler if it could roll.
Well,
If it
this
does.
isn't non-stick clay, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I mean, if you think this is Play-Doh, you're wrong.
Exactly.
This is not Play-Doh, kids.
It's old oven baked clay. Oven baked clay.
Clay is different than Play-Doh.
Exactly. Oh my gosh.
Just to let you know.
Yeah.
Oh wow, Scott's at Monster Trucks.
Now?
Yeah.
A
Where?
monster truck thing?
Sears Center or something.
Senior center?
Sears Center.
Sears.
At the senior center, yeah.
Perfect.
I wish I could be there, man.
Me too, because I'm a senior citizen.
I love monster trucks.
Me too.
Oh, great. Now I can't get this out of the egg, Jerry.
Okay.
Oh no! No!
The egg took a crash dive.
No, and now it's closed. Oh! Oh no! I can't get it out. You know what? I'll just get it out
I
separately.
got the other
We will
one
get it out,
out.
guys. We will.